Regina Encarnacion Ansong Velasquez, born April 22, 1970, is a Filipino singer and actress. She is considered one of the most influential figures in Philippine popular culture and is known for her vocal range and belting technique. She had unorthodox voice training during her childhood, where she was immersed neck-deep in the sea. Velasquez rose to prominence after winning the television talent show Ang Bagong Campion in 1984 and the Asia-Pacific Singing Contest in 1989. Under the name Chona, she signed a recording contract with Octorts International in 1986 and released the single Love Me Again, which was commercially unsuccessful. The following year, she adopted the stage name Regine Velasquez for her debut studio album, Regine. Under the guidance of Viva Records, executive Vic Del Rosario-owned producer Ronnie Henners, she explored Manila sound and Kundaman genres in her second and third studio albums, 1990. After signing an international record deal with Polygram Records, Velasquez achieved commercial success in some Asian territories with her fifth album, Listen Without Prejudice, which sold more than 700,000 copies and became her highest-selling album to date, aided by its lead single In Love With You. Velasquez played leading roles in the romantic comedies Kailangan Ko Ikaw and Pangako Ikaw and received the Box Office Entertainment Award for Box Office Queen. For the latter, her performance as an intellectually disabled woman in an episode of the anthology series Malawala Mo Kaya earned her a Star Award for Best Actress. She later starred in the primetime television series Forever in My Heart, Ako Si Kim Samsoon, Totoy Bato, Diva, I Heart You, Pear, and Por Senorita. Velasquez also won the Golden Screen Award for Best Actress for playing a document forger in the comedy film of All the Things. She expanded her career into reality television talent shows as a presenter on Star for a Night, Pinoy Pop Superstar and The Clash, and as a judge on Starstruck, Idol Philippines, and Idol Kids Philippines. Having sold more than 7 million records domestically and 1.5 million in Asia, Velasquez is the best-selling Filipino music artist of all time, referred to as Asia's Songbird. She has consistently been credited with inspiring a generation of Filipino singers. Her accolades include 2 Asian Television Awards, 2 MTV Asia Awards, 22 AWIT Awards, 17 Aliw Awards, including 3 Entertainer of the Year wins, 22 Box Office Entertainment Awards, and 17 Star Awards for music. Regina Encarnacion Ansong Velasquez was born on April 22, 1970 in Tondo, Manila, to Teresita and Gerardo Velasquez. She has 3 sisters, Kakai, Diane, and Decca, and a brother, Jojo. Her family moved to Hinandayan, Southern Lady, where Velasquez spent the early years of her life. At age 3, Velasquez became interested in music after listening to her father's lullabies. She would listen to her mother play guitar and piano while her father sang and cited Sharon Cunita's Mr. DJ as one of the first songs she learned. Velasquez started singing at age 6. She underwent intensive vocal training with her father, who immersed her neck deep in the sea and had her go through vocal runs. She credits this unorthodox method for strengthening her core and stomach muscles and developing her lung capacity. When Velasquez was 9, her family moved to Balagtas, Bulacan, where she attended St. Lawrence Academy and competed for her school at the annual Bulacan Private Schools Association singing competition. Velasquez placed 3rd in her first singing competition on Betty Mendez Livioco's The Tita Betty's Children Show. In 1984, at 14, Velasquez auditioned for the RPN's reality television series Aangi Bagong Campion. She qualified and became the show's senior division winner, defending her spot for 8 consecutive weeks. Velasquez won the competition and was signed to a record deal with Actorts International. Velasquez has also been credited for her work and performances with international artists, including 98 Degrees, Alicia Keys, Coco Lee, Peebo Bryson, and Stephen Bishop. French composer Michel Legrand described working with Velasquez, saying it's tough to sing a song after Barbra Streisand, he will tell you, but to sing with Regine is. I'm in heaven. She sings so well. She has such an extraordinary technical voice. Sensitive voice and talented expression. American singer Brian McKnight, who co-headlined a concert with Velasquez, has complimented her singing, stating, "I got to sing on stage with Regine, and it was one of the best experiences ever because she's one of the best singers I've ever heard." Personal life, Velasquez announced her relationship with singer-songwriter Ogie Alcacid in an article published by Yes magazine in June 2007. On August 8, 2010, the couple announced their engagement, and in December, they married in Nasugbu, Batangas. She gave birth to their son, Nathaniel James, via cesarean section on November 8, 2011. In 2013, Velasquez became a born-again Christian. It was revealed in March 2016 that she had suffered a miscarriage prior to her marriage to Alcacid and stated it was her reason for converting. Velasquez also said she had been attending Victory Christian Fellowship. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.